Some of them start saying that Mataji said so. This is Mataji's ideas. By their own power orientation, they manufacture things and talk like that. But ask them, how many have you given realization? The first thing is, you must determine his positivity, how many you have given realization. He's just talking about others, criticizing others, talking about the defects of Sahaja, seeing in the Sahaja, is, I would say, is still a very preliminary things that have happened before, and it should stop. Now, as it is, once this book is out, all over the world, it will be known about our work. We will be not challenged anymore. But still, we have to see for ourselves that if we have achieved this kind of recognition, then we should be up to that. Our capability should be up to that. We should not be lagging behind. For example, if you ask some Sahajogis, especially Sahajoginis, they don't know much about Sahaja. They don't know about chakras. They don't know anything about the deities. Nothing they know. How can they be Sahajogis? You have to know all about it. Only thing that you don't realize that it's not outside that you are a Sahajogi, but it is inside. Inside you have to have that kind of an understanding of the chakras and of Sahaja, how it works, how it helps. Now, supposing if I am the source of that energy, which you know very well I am, then you achieve yours also a kind of a perfection about dealing with people and bringing them to Sahaja. It's a very important work you have to do, is to bring Sahajogis in Sahaja. What I find that some people are very much still lagging behind, and it's very surprising that they live in that country, they are part and parcel of that country, and they are not bothered. Under these circumstances, they will be blamed that why didn't you find out the ways and methods of convincing at least your countrymen. So Sahajoga at the brink of growth cannot grow only with one country, two countries. All the countries have to be brought into Sahajoga. All the people that we could call into Sahajoga will be a very good idea. And then we have books to convince people, we have to talk to them about it. But what I find about Sahajoga is that once they start spreading Sahajoga also, their ego comes up. And they think they are very great Sahajogis, they are great leaders. All this kind of stupid ideas walk into their heads, which is wrong. You have to just think in a very humble manner. The more you have, the more you become humble. Like a tree, when laden with fruits, bends down. In the same way, you have to be very humble. But that humility is sometimes very difficult, because the culture of the West is not humble culture. It's a culture of aggression, culture of domination. So far they think because of domination they could go all over the world, they could achieve so many things. What have they achieved? Nothing. In their own countries, if you see, there's drug addiction. Why should people take to drugs so much? Then all kinds of sinful things they do, which I don't want to mention, but you know what they are doing, which in India, which is a poorer country, one cannot even think of. Such things are happening around you. So find out what's wrong, where, and how you can correct these things, if you can help them. Actually now, as I told you, I am going to start some sort of organizations that will do good to human beings. But you all can join us. You can also start in your own countries something like that. But first, you have to get rid of your ego. See, that once happens to you, then only your attention would be steady. And this ego is very simple for you because you worship Christ. And the Christ is the one who was settled on the Agya Chakra.